Either they give me or not. I cannot. I could. Let's see if this oil will reach. I told you guys I will be walking, so it actually crash. Because as I'm talking to you, I see pain inside back, and it's like it's my spinal cord. Should I clap some more for you guys? Let me see if I can even jump. My body cannot do. I need to rest, like really rest. They were like, are you not eating? Because I'm supposed to eat 2 times there. Like as a staff there, I'm supposed to chop, but I didn't. I eat only once. So I couldn't eat. Even when they were begging me for food, you're not gonna eat this, that. I said no. Forget this life. Men are nicer to women than women to women. God bless you men, one life. Because when I was there, all that lady could do is clean here, clean here, clean here, clean there. It's a guy that tell her that, have you first ask me if I've eaten, because they can't speak English most. You have to go to the lady and tell her she should eat something, But the lady that was there, it's not even my boss, was making me do so many things. I feel used, because some places that she asked me to clean, they haven't cleaned that place for like years, and I cannot automatically do magic. Some things are not my job. She asked me to do them. It wasn't my job to do all those packaging things. My job was in the kitchen, like cleaning, washing plates. I wash door, I wash window, I do salad, I pack salad. Everything was me. I mop 24 hours. I mop all the time because the floor was always dirty. No, I couldn't. My back hurt, my legs hurt. I will show you the video of me washing the plate. I'm okay with washing the plates. The plate washing was not a big deal because I don't have problem with that. But the other stuff that she was making me do was where I had issue. So, hoping to wake up this morning and go there. I woke up, I couldn't stand, my leg was shaking, my back was paining me. I just write the boss, say, I don't think I can do it. He said, okay, we send someone to bring that my yesterday morning for me. I don't know. I can't talk about it, what happened. Now let me show you guys my trouser. Did you see that oil has spoiled this? So I'm not going to be switching clothes anymore because this oil is not good for some of my clothes. Today we're going to finish that oil. I tell you guys what happened. If people will laugh. This oil won't be enough. I don't think so. When the oil finish, we stop. Wait, let me come close to you guys. Guys, I quit the job. It was too much. As in, yesterday, this time I walked back home, my leg hurts. My back, even till now, I still feel pain. That's why I'm not gonna be clapping. I just gonna massage. So I had in mind to go to use one stone and keep two bed. Lose weight if I'm walking. Even 3 beds. Lose weight, save money because they will feed me, and also get paid. But when I was there yesterday, Esther, please come clean here. Esther, please come. When I went for the interview, the thing they told me, I was okay with it. But when I got there yesterday, the men there are nice. There's so many men there also. Anyway, that's all. I can dance. Anyway, that's all for today.